Today we are outside because we're gonna be reviewing the UMIG metal raised garden bed. And this is 6 feet by 2 feet by 11 inches high. It's made out of galvanized aluminum zinc and stainless steel. It could last 20 years plus. It's weather resistant. It's corrosion resistant. It's cold resistant as well. It could be used to plant either flowers or vegetables. It's bottomless, so everything drains to the ground. It is heat resistant, so you can have it outside and leave it there, and you won't get corroded. Now we're gonna go put it together, and we'll come back. The first step is to take the plastic of every panel. Only tool that you're really gonna need is screwdriver, because it comes with the nuts, the bolts, and a tool to tighten up. All right, switch to the iPhone camera. So this is how it's going. It's easy enough that you can have your kids do it with you. Put the 2 panels on the sides, and then you connect the back. The last step will be putting the rubber edge, and it's simple enough. This is the end result with a rubber edge installed. All right, guys, so this is in the place we're gonna put it. This is how it looks like right now. We're about to plant some seeds, some pumpkin seeds. Took about 8 bags of soil. We're placing the seeds, the pumpkin seeds. I'm gonna cover the seeds nice and tight. Got my 2 helpers. So this is the final product. About 2 months, we'll have more pumpkins in a secure place so animals can get to them. Eventually we're gonna fill out all this trellis with the beds. So if you like it, go get yourself one.